It's another unboxing, maybe extravaganza, certainly an unboxing though, because I have this. Another project, another before video, another first look ready for me to spend some time and get it done. What is it? Well, it is a commercial Hoover. To have a look and see how commercial it still is today. Yes, hello, me vacuum cleaner chums. Where are you today? There you are. Hello. Thought I'd be a little bit lower today, although actually what you can see is the flipping toolbox. Terrible, isn't it? Amateur hour. Let's. There we go. See the box on the tatty right. Yes, this is some sort of Hoover commercial. Not for me, it's for somebody else. They bought it on eBay and had it posted straight to me because it just saves faffing around. I was going to refurbish it anyway, so it may as well just be sent straight to me where it can stay. Bit of a story behind it actually. The seller was a bit of a gouging bastard with it because it was up for it was on auction for 99 quid, which was as it was, and then the seller and somebody else related to the seller messaged him to see if he'd take an offer. He took this as interest, ended the auction, it went back on with a buy it now of 150 quid. I said leave it, and leave it he all did until on its second relist. It went back down to I think £10 more than it was originally up for. So I told the person, I should need to save some bubble wrap, I've got something to post out. Yeah, I went, well, if you really want it, get it. The seller's now had 2 lots of relist fees so they can teach him a lesson. And here we are now with a cloth bag and a massive, Jesus, machine. This, well, that's a bit of a shame about that damage. There's a lot I can do about it though. Is a Hoover U7008 from 1980, I do believe. The person who bought this wanted a 912A, but they are very, 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 very rare. There wasn't one about, so we settled for this one instead, and it's basically a Hoover 912A in pretty much every way. We have the Hoover heavy duty bag there with some heavy duty paint on it, fantastic. If we turn it around, see if, oh god, the bag will come off. I think it's a little bit seized. What have we got? I don't know if it pulls or pushing actually, but it's doing. It does pull. There we go, look. Pulls off quite nicely. This is the bag. Seems fairly clean inside actually. It's obviously not been taken off in a long while, but it's not rotted. It's probably starting to. Oh, I've just done a massive sneeze. Does the... Oh, yeah, that comes off, so that's not bad. Oh, look. It's been used with some red carpet. Very nice, so that's okay. Hoping that Hoover heavy duty will stay on there. Luckily this will need a flipping good vacuum off, and then apart from that paint, I was actually picking up with my bare hands. That shouldn't need too much. So that's cool. Pop that over there. And yeah, here we have the beast. Tested. Do not use after the 18th of November 1992. Well, there we go, folks. That's the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. No, rubbish. It's a damn shame about that scraping, because I don't really want to repaint this. I don't, but if it is just silver, I don't know if it's silver or not. We'll have to see. If we turn it upside down, you can see the ratings plate. 325 watts of pure dirty fan power. It's seen some use, hasn't it? Crikey McTrousers. I don't know how this... Here is the height adjustment. But let me bring you in closer so you can have a better look. Here we go, look. We're actually back to front there. You should be able to see it. This rotates, so we have normal, thin, and another hole with nothing on it, and then thick, which is just there. So I think actually we'll stick it in normal for the testing that we shall be doing. Turn it back that way because this is basically a Hoover Senior. Although I've never seen a built-in belt guard like that before. That's quite cool. So yes, this was used, crikey, I've used ancient vintage vacs with exactly this on there. We can see the brush roll, which is very worn, however, very good, perhaps a little tad soft. Brush strips. A plastic fan, that's interesting to see. Although it doesn't seem broken. The wheels aren't broken either. It is, it is physically very, very good. I shall give it that. That's it. That's all that there is on this. We have this flipping huge bumper here, which doesn't come off because it is riveted on, and I'm not about to take the rivets off. Oh, crikey. That's the handle release. The switch will be on the handle. Oh, let's have a look in the box. Bum! Oh, there's no handle. Oh, flip it. Only joking. It's good for morale. Here is the handle in a completely separate package. Thank goodness it didn't get lost in the post. They did turn up on the same day, so they're in the same van and whatnot, so that was okay. But yeah, the handle, well, at least I assume it's a handle. I thought nothing else is like to come in a... Oh look, this is the box that the Asda folding chairs come in there. Tesco folding chairs. In fact, I've got two of those. They're very, very good. Very good indeed. Anyway, enough about my personal buying habits. Where is the join in the bubble wrap? Because I actually need some. So if I can roughly open it so it is usable again, I can actually be really, really cheap and post with the vacuum out of it. Well, the first thing I can see is the end of the cable grommet by the plug. That's always great to see. We'll just cut that. Ready for filling out. And here we go. The handle for the beast. Instantly, the old style Hoover switch. A beautiful black handle grip. Very nice indeed. It's actually in pretty good shape. This is just so many, because this is the same handle that you get on the oldies. You know, on the Hoover 800s and the 825s and the 700, the coffee cans. It's basically this handle. That bottom cord hook's seen some action. Put that down there. It is a little bit snapped actually as well. Some damage to the handle. But I'll be honest, this is probably absolute prime candidate for powder coating. It's also got its cord whip there. It's a little bit odd because at the end of this beautiful Volex plug, Volex. Oh, look, with a little doggy tag, look, 18, that must have been its asset number. We have another cord whip, so not entirely sure what is going on there. Reminiscent of the Hoovers of old, we have a plug in the bottom of the handle, so all we need to do is pop that into there and do this massive screw up. That's clever, and that pulls the whole thing, pushes the handle bail together like so. Then we can put the bag on, which now moves, pop it up onto its cord hook. All the inner cloth has perished on the bag, that's fair enough. And we best find it some power. Gosh, that's heavy. And see if it fires up. Yeah! Whoa. Hey! I won't lie, it is very heavy to push. Oh. That is as smooth as silk though. Absolutely beautiful. That's not going to need much more than just a full clean up, you know, lube the bearings, who were. Let's try it on this. And see what it made now on this, because it can't lift it up into the air path. However, if we change this to thin, it does a good job. Ooh, nothing gets happening like that. Why do that? Wow. What a beast. What a machine. What a Hoover commercial U7008. So this is actually not going to be too difficult. It is there. It is just dirty. I might need a couple of bits powder coating. I think we can get that done. And yeah, basically, probably not actually that far off of its purchase price. £100. I don't think I'd ever spend £100 on it, but I can see why somebody else might. So, the next time you see this, it should hopefully look a lot cleaner, a lot better. I'll be honest, it's probably not going to sound any different. It sounds there. It sounds great as it is, but it'll look $1 million anyway. So, for now, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.